Study instead of scrolling. Every time you wake up early instead of pressing snooze, you are voting for the type of person you want to become. You don't suddenly become disciplined. You become disciplined by practicing discipline daily. Your habits are building your identity, whether you notice it or not. And number two, consistency beats intensity. Many students experience this. We study hard for one night before the exam. Intense effort, but we don't study consistently throughout the semester. The result? Stress, anxiety, burnout. Success is not about doing something perfectly once. It's about doing something imperfectly but consistent. Even 30 minutes of focus study every day is more powerful than 5 hours once a week. Consistency compounds, just like interest in a bank account. And number three, small changes reduce overwhelm. Sometimes we don't start because the goal is to get fit, become successful, improve my grades. These are overwhelming goals. But when we shrink the task into small action, like 10 push-ups a day, reading 5 pages daily, reviewing notes for 20 minutes, suddenly progress feels possible. Small habits remove fear, they make growth manageable. Conclusion. So here's my challenge to you. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Don't wait for motivation. Start small. Choose one habit today. Just one. That your future self will thank you for, because 5 years from now, you won't remember one random lazy day, but you will experience the result. Your future is not built in one dramatic moment. It is built quietly in the small decision you make every day.